In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Facebook dating disabled. First, check if your Facebook account is active and in good standing. To do this, log into your Facebook profile and navigate to your settings. You should see a green indicator next to your account status if everything is fine. If your account is disabled or has any restrictions, you will need to resolve those issues first. This is crucial because if your account isn't active, it can affect your access to Facebook dating features. Take a moment to ensure everything looks good, as this verification lays the foundation for the next steps. Next, make sure you are 18 years or older. Facebook dating has age restrictions, and you must be at least 18 to use this feature. To check your age, go to your profile and look at your birth date. If you are under 18, unfortunately, you will not be able to access Facebook dating. This step is essential as it ensures compliance with Facebook's policies, keeping the platform safe for all users. If you are of age, you can confidently move on to the next step. Confirm that your Facebook account is at least 30 days old. This is important because Facebook requires new accounts to establish a level of trust before allowing access to certain features. Check the date you created your account under your profile settings. If your account is younger than 30 days, you will need to wait before using Facebook dating. This waiting period is put in place to ensure that users are serious about engaging with the platform. Knowing this helps you understand the time frame for when you might be able to access dating. Now verify that Facebook dating is available in your country. Not all features are accessible in every region due to local regulations and Facebook's policies. To check this, visit the Facebook Dating Help Center or search online for information specific to your country. If it's not available where you are, unfortunately, you will not be able to use it. This is a critical step because it helps you avoid any confusion about your access to the feature. Understanding your location's compatibility will save you time and frustration. Next, restart your phone. This may seem simple, but it can solve many technical issues. Restarting can refresh your device and clear any temporary glitches that might be affecting your apps, including Facebook. After you restart, open Facebook again to see if you still face any issues with dating. This step is a good troubleshooting measure as it ensures that everything is running smoothly after the reset. You may notice improvements after this simple action. Turn on location permission for Facebook. This is crucial for Facebook dating to function properly. To do this, go to your phone settings, then Apps, and select Facebook. From there, find the location permission settings and make sure it is turned on. This allows Facebook to use your location data, which is often needed for dating features to work effectively. By enabling this, you increase the chances of having a seamless experience. Now log out of Facebook. This is an important step to refresh your session. Sometimes your account may need to reset its connection to the server to regain access to features like dating. After logging out, wait a moment and then log back in. This simple act can often clear up issues related to account features and permissions. You should see a difference once you log back into your account. Finally, keep in mind that Facebook may disable dating access if your account doesn't meet eligibility requirements or if it determines that your account or dating profile violated its policies. Understanding this can help you better navigate any future issues. If you follow these steps, you should be on your way to accessing Facebook dating again. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.